Hey guys, today I'm back encouraging my full enthusiasm with the Squirrel and the Acorn nails, and this just screams autumn to me. So I hope you enjoy these. So for my middle and ring finger, I painted with Back to the Grind from Colour Club. It's this gorgeous orange hollow with glitter particles in it, which are also hollow. And then with my Moyou London Fall in Love 01 plate, I just stamped the little squirrel in black. And just leaving it on the stamper, I filled in his eyes with this little cream polish, and I did his little belly as well. And then for the rest of him, I painted with this shimmery metallic orange. And then, because that was still a little bit tacky, I could just stamp it straight on my nail without a sticky base. And focus. There we go. And with that same plate, I just stamped the acorn. And I just left it on the stamper and filled it in with a cream and brown polish. I lost the footage of me filling it in, so I just stamped it on my nail because it was still tacky. And then I'm just painting my index and pinky fingers with my favourite polish. This is Say It Ain't Soho, and it's so gorgeous. And then with my Moyou London Fall in Love 03 plate, I'm just stamping this little acorn design where it's still on the leaves. And I'm just filling in the tops of the acorns with brown, and then the bottom bits with like a creamy tanny brown. So I suppose it's the nut in it, is it a nut? So with a sponge and glossy top coat, I'm creating a sticky base on my index and pinky finger. And with those dried decals, I just stamped it into that base. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, the squirrel and the acorn nails, and I love these. I've been wanting to use Say It Ain't Soho for so long because it's my favourite fall polish. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe. Subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.